Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add any website as an app on home screen. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Now, navigate to the website you want to add to your home screen. I'll visit Claude as an example by typing it in the search bar. Once the website loads, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see three dots on the right side. Tap on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Share. A share sheet will appear with various options. Scroll down and look for Add to Home Screen. Tap on it. Here you can edit the name of the shortcut. By default, it will use the website's name, but you can change it to anything you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the name, tap Add in the top right corner. The website will now be added to your home screen as an app icon. You can tap on this icon anytime to quickly open the website in Safari, just like opening a regular app. This is a great way to access your favorite websites quickly without having to open Safari and search for them every time. And that's it. You've successfully added a website as an app on your iPhone home screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.